So the last thing you would do once you're all got this all buttoned up is you want to go up and share it with your teacher and submit the link through Schoology or whatever method your teacher wants to use. Before I go, I want to quickly illustrate how you check your answer, and you probably should do this before you go to all the work on Google Colab. There's a link in the original assignment to a place where you can check your answer. Now, I'll look at this briefly. So this is a GeoGebra applet that actually is a scale drawing of the Burj Khalifa on planet Earth. And you can select where your view height is by dragging the slider down and drag it all the way down to, like, I can't even tell, 23 meters. I don't know if I can get it. I can't quite get to 20, about 23 meters. And it shows the Burj in its full height, and it shows a little eyeball where 20 meters high would be. And it draws a dotted line to the point where that dotted line is tangent with the surface of the Earth. And if you zoom out of this picture far enough, you can see where that point is on the Earth right here. And it also tells you how far that is. And this is saying it's 17 kilometers, not 160 kilometers. So I think my analysis is wrong. Now, the math that I did was right. There's nothing wrong with how I used Pythagorean theorem. But my model, right triangle is a great model for lots of things. But the problem in this case is I was using that distance from the Burj to Iran and modeling it as a straight line, one leg of a right triangle. And as I pull out on this picture and zoom out and out, I can see that actually the distance from the Burj to the coast of Iran is a piece of the circle that is the surface of the Earth. The Earth is round. It's a sphere. And so that distance along the surface of the Earth from the Burj to Iran is really following a curve. And although in lots of situations you can model that as a straight line, when we're talking about really large distances like the distance from the Burj to Iran, that curvature becomes a problem. And you can see why that is here. I think you can see. And you can also see why increasing the view height gets you a little bit farther on the surface. So your job is to figure out. This will tell you whether you're right or not, but you need to show us that you can figure out what that seeing distance is using simple algebra and stuff that you've learned in previous math classes. So I hope you have fun. Thanks for watching.